Federal prosecutors have indicted Hunter Biden now on 3 counts tied to the possession of a gun while using narcotics, specifically 2 counts tied to Biden filing an allegedly false form that he was not using drugs at the time he bought a Colt Cobra revolver in 2018. Count 3 is that he possessed a firearm while using a narcotic. There are also 2 misdemeanor tax charges pending after a plea agreement fell apart. Hunter Biden has yet to comment on this new indictment out in California. Kelly, as we get more details, we'll pass them along.